Greetings, beautiful people, travelers and wanderers alike. I'm here at the Cromwell in Viva Las Vegas. This is a hotel that's under the Caesar brand. This is going to be a walkthrough talk to of the Spa Suite One King, and we're going to be checking out room 858. So without further ado, 858. Here's your initial view as you enter the room. You're gonna see a lot of vintage, a lot of vintage. A lot of art decor as well. So here's your king bed. That is a nice size ottoman here. Good enough for a couple folks or whatnot. This bag's not included, however, it is Hawaii's finest. This headboard is cushioned, as well as it has like the back decor as well. That's something different. But pretty nice, very comfortable. I've already kind of straightened it up a little bit. Alright, so first we're going to start with drawer space here. You got your phone, headlamp, as well as your remote holder. A couple drawers here, plenty of space underneath. This one is going to have your safe, and above, nice size of a drawer. They'll be identical on both sides of the bed with the exceptions of the safe. Now you do have charging on the left sides of both of them, so this one on this side of the bed, it'll be on closer to the bathroom side. On the opposite side of the bed, it'll be closer to the bed side. And you will actually have space to actually plug it in and utilize it. So it's still efficient enough for you. But you get another headlamp and some drawer space in both as well. And then you get the dive right into the attention getter of the room. Is your standalone tub. Gonna give you a couple of complimentary spa items to go with your tub. Not gonna get the greatest view, but you do get a nice little view here outside as well. Alright, more decor as well. You got your controls here on the wall side for your hot and your cold water as well. Alright, you're gonna get a nice little workspace here. It's also gonna have a couple drawers on the side. Center drawer as well. Another drawer on the side as well. Then you got some top drawers up here. Phone. You can also probably use this as a vanity if you want to. In the bathroom there's a removable vanity that you can just plug in to the outlet here. And use here if you want to actually sit in the chair and do it. This does have 2 power outlets, 2 USB, and internet cable on J45. You get your nice little vintage chair here, nice and cushiony. Alright, now you have your coffee set up. Now these items here, if you use them, you're gonna pay for them. Not even if you use them. If you pick them up for longer than 30 seconds, they're censored. You're gonna pay for them, at least in the refrigerator. And I think this one here as well. But it does have some things that not a lot of hotels do offer, like a universal charging kit, a passion romance kit, and gourmet coffee. You got your other standard items here, with a bottle and wine opener as well. Now here's your refrigerator. I'm just gonna open this. Just gonna open it, and I ain't touching the moving nothing. It is fully stocked for all these products. But as I mentioned, they're censored. I'm gonna read you the note verbatim so that there's no miscommunication here. The notice states, Please note that any of these items removed from the dry and refrigerated snack centers will be billed automatically. Items lifted after 30 seconds will automatically be charged. Use of the refrigerator center for personal use will incur of a $50 charge. So if you move everything out of there, or whatever the case may be, and you're like, okay, I want to put my smoothie or my whatever in there because it is the only refrigerator in here, they're gonna bill you $50 for using it for personal use. But next to the refrigerator, you have more drawer space here. I'm not gonna open all of these, but they're long drawers, probably about 2.5 inches deep. But it is there for more storage as well. Alright. Next we're gonna follow up with the restroom. We'll get to the television later. Rather I call it a suite. Very large space here. With a very large, humongous mirror. You can have your double vanity, double sinks there. Then you do have a sitting chair if you want to be doing your stuff right here in the center. This is also the vanity I was talking about here. It plugs in here with the 2 outlets, but you can remove this, and if you want to actually move it into the other space in there on that desk, you can do that as well because there's outlets. Then you get your complimentary products behind you. You have your blow dryer and your power outlets for your closet, restroom, and shower. So this is your closet. Very, very large closet, so you probably don't even need to use the space in the living area to put your stuff. But you do get an iron, a steamer, and coat hangers, your laundry services, full-size ironing board, as well as a luggage holder. There are no robes. That's one thing I did notice. There are no robes, which I think would have been a nice compliment depending on what type of room you get. And because this is a suite, I think possibly it might be worn, even if you decide to charge people for taking the robe. But it's just my 2 cents. I would have put 2 robes and probably some complimentary house shoes. Because this is not a very large hotel, it's not like thousands of rooms, it's not even 200 rooms. I think that would have been something I would have added as a complimentary item, or something that people could probably take with them and pay for it. That's just my 2 cents. But anywho, behind door number 1, got a porcelain throne where all great ideas are made. And then a box. Saves your TP. Simple and efficient. Behind door number 2, you have a humongous, very large shower. I'm gonna just step back a little bit. We got the waterfall in there. You got a whole sitting space back here. Stand shower here. Configurations there. But this is me in the corner here. I don't know, should I sit down? Give y'all a little concept. Just sit down. Sit down here. What am I about? 5'8 3/4. We'll take 5'9". I appreciate that. 5'9". Flip this around for you. Got plenty of space. I ain't gonna lay down, but there's plenty of space up there. I'm not gonna lay on this floor, but you get the idea. You get the idea. You could probably get about 10, 12 people up in there, maybe 15. But it's a very nice show. All Alright, next we're going to talk about the television configurations. Got this little remote. Alright, I ain't got my tripod, so I'm trying to keep this thing steady. Alright. Let's go to the home first. So you got your home options right here. Gotta get your welcome information up there. Room number, name, temperature, time, and all that good stuff. Alright, so you do got Pluto services, which I think operate through Verizon. You got your Chromecast, as well as you got YouTube television. On your side menu over here, you have your home. We're going to get options to manage your live TV, pay-per-view, streamcast, and information about your stay. So if you have any room charges, it's going to be over here. And then you can also make up the adjustments to your stay as far as if you want to check out, if you want a late checkout, you got the middle one right here. And these also are upon request and not guaranteed. So you got your in-room services. So I guess they have their own like Uber Eats type of situation. Got Caesar's Eat. Got the QR code right here where you can download the app. Then rewards. I have this app, which I recommend you get if you decide to stay in any Caesar's property, or if you're going to use any of their products, whether it's dining and things of that nature. All right, got your sports book. Caesar Sports Book. Download the app right there. Get in there and start earning. Live TV, streamcast, pay-per-view. And for music, you can log into your YouTube music as well as your Spotify. And that's that. Now, if you go to your input, these are your options that you're going to have. I haven't tried to view any of the outputs, reach any extra HDMI or whatnot. But I don't think it's necessary, in my humble opinion. One thing I do like is that because with this sound bar here, you get your nice little LG sound bar with a sub on the side. Right there. Yeah. Those are the functionalities of this room here. Ooh, look, the sun coming through, so let me show this sign on the tub one time. That's nice, right? Catch your little view, open them shades up a little bit more. Turn on the music, turn on the sub. And there you go. Got your nice little in-suite spa with a view, nice ambiance, nice decor, nice setup in the room. And yeah, go for what you know. This is my first Caesar's property. I do plan on going to quite a few more, and potentially, hopefully, at the Cromwell, view a few of their other rooms as well. Now, they only have 3 suites, and this is one of those 3, and they're behind the door to get to room 858. So it was a little confusing, but one of the room attendants helped me out. Appreciate that. But yeah, what y'all think about this room? Let me know. And is the Cromwell somewhere you've considered to stay at here in your time in Vegas? I think this is going to be enjoyable. So till next time, one love.